some very gorgeous, expensive shoes in here. 210 euro. It's not raining right now, so I walked over to the St. Catherine Street, the shopping street. This is another chocolate shop. Everything is sourced from Madagascar. Look at all the yummies. That's a nice looking quiche. I don't particularly care for that Basque ghetto. Tried it on board the ship, I think. But I do love macaroon, that's for sure. So much. I wish we'd just stay nights like this. Nice looking cookies. Look at this place. Well, I'm going to see plenty of wine on my cruise, so hi, bonjour. Daniel, let's visit the boutique. Of course, it's everything wine. Different mustards. The architecture. Those are the architects. Well, they sure did develop an unusual site. They have art all along the way here to walk. Plus bicycles, now you can utilize scooters. That's the Renaissance rooftop right up there. We are in the Chartron district, C-H-A-R-T-R-O-N. It was the big wine district, and they would heave them from the chateaus in barrows and then keep them cool in here. You have the Garonne River right there, so it was easy to transport. The houses were from 1750 in this particular area. It's not very wealthy area. Bordeaux is given UNESCO World Heritage Site for the status for the whole area because they made sure that every single building had the same facade. The chimneys are traditional from that era.
The French raised property taxes. You see,
It's a hand of Fatima.
Annual bills is common. Until 1977, when they took it back.
The church was begun in 1863. Our little tour is considered an easy walk. Well, if we walk any slower, I'm going to fall asleep on my feet. That is one of the best bakeries here in Bordeaux, and expensive. I like that balcony. I think I'll say Gallery Lafayette till I return. I know you'll recognize the names of all these stores. Well, there's never anything inexpensive about France, that's for sure. France. Usual Zara's down here, and Mango. I finally found an unusual store. Yay, yay, yay. Old cups. These are all covers for mugs. Still cigarette cases in metal. Isn't that the cutest thing to put your glasses on? Look at these, Ben's cookies. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at these lusciousness. Cheers. That narrow little building there reminds me of the Flatiron Building in New York. Look at that gorgeous old merry-go-round or carousel. It's a double-decker. Here comes one of those little trains around the streets here. All kinds of antique stores here, right here in the park. It's pouring and thundering.